Jai Srimannarayana. 19th sloka of 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Bahunam Janmanamante Jnanavan Mam Prapadyate Vasudevaha Sarvamiti Samahatma Sudurlabhaha. Om. Sri Krishna Paramatma feels that at the end of so many births, a man of wisdom holds Krishna Paramatma as everything and surrenders to him. Also, Krishna Paramatma feels that it is very, very hard to find such a great soul. Now you can think that you can make this life as the last life and finds Krishna Paramatma as everything and make him feel that yes, he found you. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I hold you as everything, I surrender to you. Ho Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 10th Skandham, Dasamaskandham 38th day, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra," saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, as and how in the east side the full moon comes out, just like that in the midnight, Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu came out of Devaki Devi Garbham. And now Vasudeva is looking at that baby boy. Tamadbhutam balakamambuje kshanam chaturbhujam senkhagadadyudayudham jaladhara dehun ajanu chaturbahu sarasiruhakshu Visala Vakshajaru Gada Senkha Chakra Padma Vilasundu." That boy has beautiful eyes, wide eyes, Pundarikaksha. That boy is wearing Senkha, Chakra, Gada, Padmas with his 4 shoulders. Not only that, श्रीवत्सलक्ष्मं गलशोभिकौस्तुभं पीताम्बरं सान्द्रपयोदसौभगम् कण्ठकौस्तुभमणिकान्तिभासु कमनीयकटिसूत्रकङ्कणकेयूरु श्रीवत्सलाञ्छनाञ्चितविहारुन् उरुकुण्डलप्रभायुतकुन्तललाटुवैडूर्य मणिगणवरकिरीटु. That boy has beautiful Srivatsam on his chest. That boy has Kaustubhamani. That boy is wearing Pitambaram. That boy has beautiful Maharha Vaidurya Kirita Kundalatvisha Parishvakta Sahasra Kuntalam. That boy has Neela Megha Varnam and beautiful hair, curly hair, shining hair and beautiful earrings that boy is wearing. Uddhama kanchi angada kankanadibhihi virochamanam vasudeva ikshata sugunalavalu కృపా విశాలుంజూచి తిలకించి పులకించి చోద్యమంది ఉబ్బి చెలరేగి వసుదేవుడుత్సహించే. That boy is wearing beautiful kiritam and such a beautiful decorated boy. Now Vasudeva has seen such a boy and all the indications, all the decorations, all that alankaram, that beautiful, handsome Divyamangala Vigraham. Vasudeva is matching that with Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu. Sri Mahavishnu is like this, but right in front of his eyes, that baby boy is there. Now Vasudeva looking at that baby boy. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 7th chapter 19th sloka. Bahunam janmanamante Jnanavan mam prapadyate Vasudevas sarvamiti Samahatma sudurlabha. Bahunam janmanamante Jnanavan mam prapadyate Vasudevas sarvamiti Samahatma sudurlabha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.